Cruise by Mandy. Finished up some work tonight. Had to grab a quick bite here. Let's see what we got. We got some mushroom soup, onion soup, chicken noodle soup. My daughter had chicken noodle earlier. Got this next station here, lamb curry, masala. I don't know how to say that word. Let's see, egg fried rice, pork with asparagus, confetti rice with raisins, sauteed black mussels, American beef stew, corn on the cob, creamy Tuscan garlic chicken, fried potato wedges with bacon bits, pork barbecue, looks like vegetable medley, herb rub chicken, mashed potatoes. I'm craving mashed potatoes. Weird. Lots of different options around here. Oh my gosh, there's even more. Grilled shrimp. Grilled shrimp does sound good. Steamed veggies. Got some more pork ribs. Looks like cauliflower, minute steak, corn on the cob, pasta. This looks similar to last night. Salmon mousse with caviar and garlic croutons. I see the caviar on top. Carrot lime with cocktail. Salmon mousse with caviar again. Got some potato salad, beef and veggie salad. Some Vietnamese here. Let's see what else is still out. This is after 10 o'clock at night. Got the roast beef, some pork prosciutto. Also have some different breads, different cheeses. They are all getting ready for the naming ceremony tomorrow. We still do not know who the godmother will be. Interested to find out. Yogurt and fruit. And anything you need for salads. See some good walnuts back there. Those are yummy. Different potato salad. There's some other things going on here. So if you're ever worried about being hungry on a cruise, there is always something to eat. I had sushi downstairs tonight for dinner. Had Alfredo's for lunch. Really didn't eat too much today, but had just a little craving, so I came up here to see, and this is not even the dessert aisle. The dessert aisle is about this long as well, to take some cookies back to the room. Left some folks in the room watching TV. They asked me to bring some stuff back. They got the munchies too. They were just too lazy to get their butts out of bed. Ooh, turkey lasagna, french fries, chicken nuggets. Got some stuff going on in there. So yes, if you ever have a craving, there was the pizza outside still open, and calzones. Lots of options here. Finished up wrapping up emails that came in tonight on a Friday night, Friday afternoon, Friday evening, and got that done. So everybody is working hard. They're doing lots of cleaning. I keep passing people cleaning everywhere. They are so excited about tomorrow. The crew is ecstatic, getting ready for this huge ceremony tomorrow of the naming ceremony. Everything's tip-top shape. They will be up before the crack of dawn for sure, getting everything ready for breakfast in the morning. So when you're on a cruise, tell them thank you. Even if you haven't even done anything, just say thank you. They deserve it. Cruise by Mandy, signing off. Grab me a quick bite.